Have you ever told yourself, "I'll do it later," and then never actually do it? That's procrastination. And it's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain is wired to avoid discomfort. Let me explain. Your brain has two modes. The first is the thinking brain. This is the part that plans, sets goals, and wants long-term success. The second is the emotional brain. This part wants comfort, right now. So when you think about doing something difficult, like studying, working, or exercising, your emotional brain steps in. It says, "This feels hard. Let's do something easier instead." So you scroll your phone, watch videos, or do anything that feels good in the moment. And just like that, you procrastinate. Now here's the important part. Procrastination isn't a time problem. It's an emotion problem. You're not avoiding the task. You're avoiding how the task makes you feel. So how do you fix it? You don't need more motivation. You need to make the task easier to start. Start small. Instead of saying, "I'll study for 2 hours," say, "I'll study for 5 minutes." Remove pressure. Once you start, your brain relaxes. And most of the time, you'll keep going. This is called the 5-minute rule. Another trick is to remove distractions. Keep your phone away. Make your environment simple. The easier it is to focus, the less you procrastinate. So remember this. You don't need to feel motivated to start. You just need to start small. If you want more simple ideas like this, subscribe to Learn with Canvas, because understanding your mind is the first step to controlling it.